Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we'll be doing question number 3 in page number 341. Rohini Company Limited issued 25,000 shares of rupees 100 each payable as follows. On application 20 rupees, on allotment 30, on first call 20, on first second and final call rupees 30. Applications were received for 22,000 equity shares and allotment of shares were made on them. All the money was received by the company. It means that here the application was received for 22,000 but the issued shares were 25,000. That means the 25,000 was issued, but out of that the company got application for only 22,000. So it is an example of under subscription. Now we will make the column for journal entries. Journal of Rohini and Company Limited, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. You will make column for 2 pages. Okay. Now first entry we will pass. Now first is on application rupees 20 is received. So application money is received. So on 22,000 shares application money is received. So the journal entry will be bank account debit to, it is equity share. So we write here equity share capital account, narration being application money on 22,000 equity shares at rupees 20 received. So bank account debited to equity share application account being application money on 22,000 equity shares at rupees 20 received. So if you multiply 22,000 with 20, you will be getting 4,40,000. 4,40,000. Second one. Now this application money, what you received, bank account debited to equity share, it is application money. Bank account debited to equity share application money, because you have received the money on application. So bank account debited to equity share application account. Now then this application money you will be transferring to equity share capital, because जो भी पैसा आता है that will be added to the equity share capital. So the entry will be equity share application account debit to equity share capital account being application money transferred to equity share capital, being application money transferred to equity share capital. You know equity capital always credited, so we write to equity share capital account. Same amount you will be writing 4,40,000. 4,40,000. Then the third entry. Now we will be requesting people to pay the allotment money. So first we will inform the public that this much allotment money is due, kindly pay it. So we are informing them. So the journal entry will be equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, because allotment money whatever is paid or whatever we are going to receive, it is a part of equity share capital. So equity share allotment account debit is journal entry आपको by heart करना. In my first video I have given all the entries what we are going to write in the issue of shares. So equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account being allotment money on 22,000 equity share at rupees 30 due. So 30 due, so 22,000 into 30 will be 6,60,000. So equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account, being allotment money on 22,000 equity share at rupees 30 is due. Now this amount you will be receiving it. So bank account debited to, we have received the money of allotment, to equity share allotment account, being allotment money received. The amount is 6,60,000. Now same way we are going to announce for the first call. Public should pay the first call amount. So the entry will be equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account, because whatever money you are demanding, it is a part of capital. To equity share first call account debited to equity share capital account, being first call money on 22,000 equity shares at rupees 20 is due. Being first call money on 22,000 equity share at rupees 20 is due. So 22,000 into 20 will be 4,40,000. Now you are receiving the call money, first call money you are receiving. So the entry will be bank account debit to equity share first call account, bank account debit to equity share first call account, being first call money received. Being first call money received. So bank account debited to equity share first call account, being first call money received 4,40,000. Similar way we have to call for the second and final call. So same entry, first equity share second and final call account debit, equity share second and final call account debit to equity share capital account, equity share second and final call account debited to equity share capital account, being second and final call, on 22,000 equity shares at rupees 30 is due. So 22,000 into 30 will be 6,60,000. Eighth one, we are receiving the money now. So bank account debit to, we have received the money of equity second and final call. So equity share second and final call account, being second and final call money received. Okay, so the total is 6,60,000. 6,60,000. Got it? Now we will do the question number 4 of page number 342. Deepak Manufacturing Company Limited issued a prospectus inviting application for 1 lakh equity shares for 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable as follows: rupees 2 on application, 4 on allotment, 2 on first calls, 2 on final call. Applications were received for rupees 1,20,000 equity shares. Means we had offered only 1 lakh, but we got application for 1,20,000. So it is called as oversubscription. It is called as oversubscription. So now it is oversubscription. So what you will do, you have to, if it is oversubscription, so there are two options: either we can adjust the money in the allotment, or you have to refund the money. So here it is given, the directors decided to reject excess applications and refunded the application money on that. Company received all money. तो यानी जो 20,000 का जो एक्स्ट्रा जो पैसा आया है एप्लीकेशन मनी, that we have to refund. Okay, so now we will make the column in same way what you did for the first sum. Page 342, question number 4. In the books of Deepak Manufacturing Company Limited, journal entries: date, particulars, debit amount, credit amount, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit amount. So the first entry, you are receiving the application money. So you are receiving the application money. So the entry will be bank account debit to, bank account debited to, it is equity shares. So we write here equity share, equity share application account, being application money on, being application money on 1,20,000 at on 1,20,000 equity shares at rupees 2 is received. So you received application money on 1,20,000. So 1,20,000. So 2 into 1,20,000, it comes to 2,40,000. As such, we have only 1 lakh shares, so excess amount on 20,000 whatever is received, we have to pay back, we have to return. Okay, उन्होंने क्या बोला, directors decided to reject the excess application money and refunded the application money on that. Company received all money. So what you will do is, now we have to transfer this application money to the equity share capital. So the entry will be equity share application account debit to equity share capital account and to bank account. Okay, being application money on 1 lakh share, because 1 lakh share का ही हम ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे. being application money on 1 lakh shares transferred and excess money received is refunded. See, you have received 2,40,000. You have received share application money on 20,000, which is extra. So 20,000 multiplied by 2. So 20,000 multiplied, because you got application money on 1,20,000, but we are having only 1 lakh equity share. इसका मतलब you have got extra application money on 20,000. So 20,000 into 2 will be 40,000. This amount you have to refund, ये आपको वापस करना पड़ेगा. तो अपना कैपिटल एग्जैक्टली कितना हो गया है, 2 लाख रुपीज़. आपको मिला है 2,40,000, लेकिन ये 2,40,000 के अंदर 40,000 जो है वो आपको रिफंड करना पड़ेगा. तो आपका कैपिटल में कितना ऐड हो जाएगा, 2 लाख रुपीज़ ऐड हो जाएगा. गॉट इट. देन द थर्ड, वी हैव टू tell about the allotment. We have to inform the public that you have to make the payment for the allotment. So we will be writing equity share allotment account debit, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, being allotment money due, so being allotment money due on 1 lakh equity shares at rupees 1 lakh equity share at rupees 4. So 1 lakh into 4, it will be 4 lakh rupees. Then public got the intimation, so now public is making the payment of allotment money. So we received the money, bank account debited to equity share allotment account, bank account debited to equity share allotment account, being allotment money received. The amount is 4 lakh rupees. Bank account debited equity share allotment account, being allotment money received 4 lakh rupees. Now you will intimate the public about the first call. So the entry will be equity share first call account debited to equity share capital account, being first call money on 1 lakh equity shares on 1 lakh, being first call money on 1 lakh equity shares at rupees 4 is due. Sorry, first call money is for 2 is, so 2 is due. So 1 lakh into 2, 1 lakh into 2, it will be 2 lakh rupees. 1 lakh into 2 is 2 lakh rupees. Being first call money on 1 lakh equity share at rupees 2 is due. Sixth one, you are receiving the call money. So bank account debited to equity share first call account, bank account debited to equity share first call account, being first call money received, that is 2 lakh rupees. Bank account debited to equity share first call account, being first call money received, which is 2 lakh rupees. Seventh one, you will be informing the public about the second call money. So equity share second call account debit to equity share capital account. Equity share second call account debited to equity share capital account being second, or you can say final call money on 1 lakh shares at rupees 2 is due. So 1 lakh into 2 will be 2 lakh rupees. And eighth one is we are receiving the second and final call. So bank account debited to equity share second call account being second or final call money received. The amount is 2 lakh rupees.
Still looking at me.